lunchtime, making some sauce for the nice well-cooked beans. Yep. And we're gonna put some coconut milk for nice flavor and nice taste. Yep. Yes, we're gonna eat with some nice yellow, delicious yellow rice, and we have some rice here, white rice, yummy for enjoyment. So yummy and tasty with coconut. And we have some yummy cassava here, so delicious, so yummy and healthy, full of carbohydrates, iron, vitamin K. It's all good for you. Also, we have this nice vegetable spinach cooked with fried trappier. So yummy. Okay, now we're gonna mix our sauce. Nice sauce with some boiled cooked beans. I pre-cooked it earlier, and actually before I cooked it, they were all soaked overnight, so they cooked just in less than 30 minutes. Yep, it's a nice, delicious, and healthy cooked beans at home. As a sauce, you can eat with anything on the side, with veggies, with yams, fufu, or cassava, or ugali and shima. You can eat with anything, or rice, pilau. They're very nice. Okay, our bean sauce are ready, and I tested the salt. It's very moderate and good, ready to be served. Yeah, it's cooked for like 1 minute, and now it's all done. Gonna put the fire off. Yes guys, so our lunch is ready. We have some spinach with baked tilapia fish, some beans with coconut, and some white rice and yellow rice, and some cassava, and nice mango juice on the side. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Bon appetit. Thank you guys for liking, sharing the video, subscribing, and for comment. God bless you, and thank you for watching. Welcome. Bon appetit for lunch. Nice and yummy, delicious spinach with baked tilapia fish, some nice Roman beans, rice, and cassava. It's so delicious and yummy. God bless you. Thank you for the comment, sharing, and like, and have a beautiful day. Thank you. Bye. Thank you so much, and God bless you. Ciao.